In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage access in Asana. We'll focus on the organization or workspace level, where you control exactly who can enter your Asana environment. Getting this right keeps your project secure, your collaborators clear on what they can see, and your workspace tidy as your team grows. First, a quick bit of context. In Asana, access at the top level is managed by admins. If you have the right permissions, you'll be able to open the admin console. If you don't see it, you may need to ask an existing admin to adjust your access. Once you're set, the members area inside the admin console is your home base for inviting people in, removing them when needed, and understanding who has what level of visibility. To get there, click your profile icon in the top right of Asana, select Admin Console, and then choose Members. This page shows everyone who currently has access to your organization or workspace. Think of it as your roster. It's where you control the door. When you're ready to invite someone, use the option to add members by email. Enter their work email if they're part of your company, and they'll join as a member with access appropriate to your organization. It's a good practice to invite only those who truly need broad access and to confirm you're using the correct email domain so they land in the right place. After they're in, you can share specific teams and projects as needed, but the initial invite happens right here from the members view. If someone no longer needs access, it's just as straightforward to remove them. Find their name in the members list, click the three dots to the right, and deprovision them. Deprovisioning instantly revokes their access to your organization or workspace while preserving the work they contributed, so your team keeps continuity. It's best to do this promptly when roles change or a contractor's engagement ends, so your environment stays secure and up to date. You may also work with guests, people who don't have your company's email domain. Guests can only see what you explicitly share with them, such as a specific project or task, and they won't have broad visibility into your organization. This makes guests ideal for clients or external partners. Share only what they need to collaborate and review those shares periodically to make sure they're still appropriate. As a final tip, return to the Members tab regularly to review who's in, who's out, and who's a guest. Keeping this list clean, intentional, and current is the simplest way to maintain a secure and well-organized Asana environment.